每次有個新 phase 開始咗冇耐呢，都會被逼由 Division Four 開始打過嘅。咁我而家就係呢個狀況啦。咁諗住一集入邊呢，直接就打到上 Division Three 嘅。咁呢集會 show 6場波。咁啊冇錯啦，係啊，我就用咗6場打到 Division Three 嘅。咁呢度就係個過程啦。咁都一排冇打呢個Ranking League 啦，咁鍛鍊咗一排咧，叫做同 AI Legend Level 玩咗一輪啦，用多咗呢個特別係 Matchup Defense 啦，亦都學識咗呢個R1 嘅壓迫啦，咁高位逼搶啦，咁即管試一試啊，睇下自己可以走到幾遠啦。通常呢，就去到 Division Two 呢，就完 phase 啊，唔夠時間咁亦都贏得。去到 Division Two 就當然亦都開始越嚟越難啦。但係其實都唔好睇少 Division Four，因為呢，好多時呢個 phase 三開始呢，啲勁人都係由 Division Four 開始啊，我好似讚緊自己咁。咁啊，所以呢，通常都會遇到啲瓶頸嘅。睇下啦，連續2球呢都係被壓住啊。我 cut 咗啲無謂嗰啲傳嚟傳去啊，但係呢，整體呢，佢係佔上風嘅，所以絕對唔係話弱啊呢個對手。咁佢呢個 long ball counter 嘅教練啦，哇！我都守得好差喎，可能有少少窒啊，使開咗自己條友，俾人輕鬆峨眉月頂咁樣直入禁區咁射入去，點都好啦，攞下碗一球啊，馬上就係啦，我都唔敢用太多呢個逼搶嘅，因為始終個日陣型好易亂。但係 matchup 我一定會多用嘅，咁睇下有冇勁咗啦自己。暫時嚟講就冇啊，暫時嚟講唔係好夠抽。當然窒你睇又窒咗一下，窒呢啲係唔慣啊，老實講。好啊，佢話麥巴比啊，左扭右扭，又想傳底啦。哎呀，我已經撳咗 matchup 啊，爭啲刪到個波，但係佢都出得好靚啊。爭啲啊！呢度打到呢度呢，頭30分鐘冇輸一粒，只輸一粒都合理嘅，冇輸2粒都算係咁啦。哇！又失誤啊，搞唔掂。佢開始有啲犯錯啦，睇下我可唔可以把握到機會先。係啊，哇！舒服，搞唔掂啊！呢下傳得太差。哇！好正啊，佢有羅伯圖卡路士，不過可惜啊，哇！我哋兩邊都傳得好差。終於攞翻個波啊！傳定先得唔得？係啦，控定先。係啦，哎呀，過唔到卡路士。但係攞翻個波。掂，傳唔傳到多下？傳唔到，但係博到犯規。Arujo 啊，係啊，我嘅陣型我都冇乜特別啦。嚟去都係咁啊，4-4-2 quick counter 係咪？咁我都唔再 show，但係佢嘅球員都係唔錯嘅。哇！俾佢食晒塵添，俾佢麥巴比嚼晒。好彩呢，係救到嘅，因為係啊，我唔單止我自己技術有少進步，我啲球員都有進步咁樣。哇！咁都唔射，哇！呢一下真係好危險，即係爭啲係大嘥咯。我成日都會咁嘅，明明大空位都要硬係傳俾美斯。其實射會穩陣啲啊，不過入到波就係好波啦。我喺佢都識用 matchup 啊！我喺失勢嘅情況下呢，就挽回一球嘅。哇！完半場前唔係咁樣輸翻係嘛？哇！好彩刪到。 係啊，真係嗱，我啲球員有進步咗啊！我有簡尼啦，有華舒福啦，咁啊係有啲提升，比起我對上一次打 Ranking League 嘅時候，咁所以只要我夠勤力呢，不是不可能咧 Division One。咁啊，但係而家好似啊，點解我覺得 Division Four 都幾犀利嘅？好似係咪因為我都仲係真係好早期咧喺呢個 phase 入邊？我唔知啊，你話我聽，你有冇呢種感覺？但係不是贏得很輕鬆啊，其實。咁啊，你睇下而家都係，哇！爭啲輸到啦，上半場唔落後都算係咁啊！咁我真係好似真係嗰個1000年一個機會冇錯，俾人撳住嚟砌。咁啊，係啊，我 skip 晒啦。佢呢個係偏防守嘅陣式嚟嘅，4-2-3-1，跟住打 long ball counter。佢轉咗個陣啊，一開頭嗰陣好似唔係咁。不過點都好啊。咁我又 skip 咗個開頭啊。咁啊，轉眼間又俾佢打緊反擊。佢啲 long ball counter 我都唔係好限制得到。啲人腳啲速度都好似有少少跟唔上，唔知點解。佢人腳都冇話勁我好多嘅啫，印象中。anyways，咁啊睇下佢美斯點搞啦，扭唔過啊！好，反擊反擊反擊，我都識打反擊噶嘛！啊，前面啊，好多人啊，嚟啦美斯 ，Magnificent Pass， 哇，吸拳再射，哇，太精彩啊！阿哥吸嗰下完全 fix 晒。然之後再拉個圓柱，冇咁 control shot 啊，直接掉去死角。佢呢個 player 嘅問題就係佢傳波呢，成日會傳咗俾我，咁所以呢，我都傳翻俾佢添。但係明顯我傳得好少少，佢又話我要壓迫要多幾條友啦，要用多啲壓迫嗰個掣啊 R1啊，不過我唔敢啊，因為呢，哇有嚟，哇神救，就係呢個籠啊，哇好浪費啊佢，禁區頂唔攞穩個波就咬腰射，以為自己係林作，有冇睇林作 IG 嗰球？話自己咬腰，球未着地咬腰勁射，但其實係滴下滴下咁樣。不過唔好講啊！好，喂，窒咗機，冇喐到。唉，搞唔掂。Jordan Henderson 都係唔錯嘅球員啊！哇，爭啲俾佢 1-2 到。好彩佢進攻都係一般般啫。好嗱，反擊入多粒就穩陣啦。哇，太心急啦，應該俾個後冚又襲上緊嚟。佢又送俾我，我又送翻俾佢。哎呀，接唔到佢呢下添，大鑊！哇，又中完未又中柱，哇，再神救！其實都係暈啊呢一場，理應要輸噶啦。咁樣連續呢，哎呀！連續神救同中柱呢，成功玩，哇！仲好多高張波喎都，並睇唔到壓倒性嘅實力增長啊！估唔到 Division Four 都有少許吃力，其實認真。要換人，咁啊，我都 cut 咗換人㗎啦，我 cut 晒呢啲啊，咁啊，希望可以節奏緊密啲啦。反正我換人嚟嚟去去都係按體力換嘅啫，咁啊，冇咩太大章法。哇，嚟啦 full pass， 再嚟多下，哎呀，可惜啊，呢個係簡迪啊，係咪簡迪嚟㗎？點都好啦，佢又送翻俾我。嚟啦 1-2 成功，呢個位都係斬出去噶啦，冇錯啦，爭少少，再嚟，哇好窒，又送咗俾佢啦。咁佢啲反擊真係都要提防住。 long ball counter 都好煩，同埋佢而家撳咗 attack mode 啦，咁所以啲人呢會跟住封住波 line 咁樣去嘅。咁啊，解圍成功。哇！好近啊！哇！一下兩下，哇！連續兩嘢篤走個波，再慢慢做翻去。哇！哎呀，如果向前傳就好啦，啱啱傳咗邊啊！哇！大鑊啦，馬拉當拿又有空位啊！哇！佢竟然斬啊，射得啦係嘛？佢冇好似第一球咁樣喎，衝多兩步射喎，佢衝多兩步射我大鑊啊！咁啊，佢呢個位斬又越位又攞唔到，哇！完全係劣勢啊！咁當然窒係一件事啊，咁但係對方確實打得比我好啊！你睇下我又送咗個波俾佢，不過佢又送翻個波俾我。誒，有冇機會？咦？唔得啦！又送俾我，係咁想傳中間喎，我明明條友企咗喺度，好多機會嚟啦！哎呀，太明顯啦我！哇！喺我都熬青到要 defending mode，太冇用啊！太冇用啊！我發現自己竟然係打得咁吃力 Division 4，但係 salute 啊，對手係打得好啲。咁啊，不過把握力嚟講就我係優勝啦，咁啊運氣亦都有優勝，但係其他傳輸啊，即係射中籠啊、傳波啊、possession 啊、傳輸，咁啊，但係佢最高都唔係好高嘅喎 ，Division 3 9萬，我應該係高啲啊，咁啊，不過點都好啦，好準備去下一場啦。咁我換人照舊唔睇啦，直接睇佢4-2-3-1閃得好快啊！但係佢啲球員係勁啲嘅，乍眼睇都 average 105咁樣啦。咁啊，睇下有冇得連勝落去啦。哇！我啲網路係比較窒啊。咁啊，4-2-3-1通常都係比較，哇！喺咁樣穿到過去，打到 1-2，係我啱正想講佢比較集中中間啊，咁我都會盡量拉邊多少少噶啦。不過佢呢個陣都打邊嘅有啲搞笑，係唔會過到喎。你睇下一個 1-2 已經係搞掂啦，哇靚晒！哎呀，竟然 finish 唔到啊！要大力翻少少。但係啱啱個組織非常漂亮啊！哇，佢呢下都好靚喎！哎呀，個球員完全係好快，哇勁靚喎！佢呢個 celebration 肯定係課金人，朗拿甸奴，哇連 celebration 都課金，哇仲有呢個高嘅 celebration， 型到爆炸！哇，課咗金呢個 celebration 都型過人，我第一次見啊，唔知你哋有冇見過？打咗咁耐都唔知原來有得咁樣咁型喎嗰個 celebration。咁啊冇計啊！啱啱嗰下就佢完全係速度爆贏嗰個後衞，冇得追啊！咁啊，睇下係咪要輸啊？睇嚟要輸。哇！佢再傳遠處大鑊，佢冇傳遠處啊！好彩空鬼晒。不過佢都飆得好勁喎，好多空位喎。你睇下我有冇傳？哇！仲想步喎？哎呀，傳慢咗半步啊！衝得太行。但係又送翻個波俾我。喂，今次要 finish 到。哎呀，又遲咗起腳。個 first touch 太大步啊！係我問題嗎？可能係啊，心急咗啊，連續錯失機會啊，起碼有2至3個半單刀，全數射失，都係推得太近個籠咁樣，咁啊有啲可惜啊。 但係感覺佢防守係一般般，進攻都係硬靠球員個人能力。咁啊，應該未必輸啊，有得打，應該有得打。睇下一個 1-2 過晒佢啦，哎呀！不過今次俾佢報到，搞唔掂啊！佢呢個打法點解要用呢個陣？哎，大鑊啦！大鑊啦！又俾單刀佢，哎呀，速度趕唔到啊！哇，真係好靚佢呢個 celebration， 即係我自己睇咧，就算俾人入波咧，都覺得好賞心悅目。今次冇個高嘅，係咪我撳得太快撳走咗？但係超有型，哇！又成功過到，哇！呢個出波咩事？哇！尼馬係咪會唔會錯失咗太多機會呢？呢下我控制上有啲問題啦，可能我手滑嘅 joystick 推得好盡，但係都不至於咁㗎，係咪先？OK， 好，出個靚波，呢下出得好咗啦，不過被解圍。嚟個短嘅直接射，失敗啊！哇，落後緊2-0，25分鐘，點搞啊？我都唔記得咗啊！呢場 end up 係點？哇！但係呢個哇，會唔會咁樣碌入？哇！啊！首先起碼最後有起腳係好事，我幾驚佢咁近都冇起到腳，越位就認啦嚇。哇！連續錯失機會，雖然呢個完唔完全係機會，但係無限接近入球啊！哇！機會係啲多得離譜，但係冇一個，哇唔好啊！哇佢硬射近柱，哇好彩 block 到，好危險啊！對攻局嚟㗎啦，呢個冇計啊，完全對攻啊！佢呢啲粒粒巨星課晒金咁樣解圍㗎啦，呢啲一定係走唔甩。哇佢爭啲頂翻個波俾我。真係要穩陣啲咁守咯，唔好俾佢有得衝刺，因為佢啲球員快過我。嗱呢啲陣地又唔係太驚啊，因為佢咁站中咧，應該威脅不是很大。哇！我點會咁樣處理嘅我呢下？我諗住俾遠嗰個可能，但係失敗咗。好啊！而家去邊線繼續攻啊！咁呢啲冇威脅噶啦。哎，但我俾翻個波佢添。然之後佢又送翻個波俾我。哎，反擊！哎呀，慢咗呢下。哎，又輸多粒喎！哇，勁好彩！哦，佢咁樣唔落底咧，哇！傳翻出嚟喎，呢個處理得幾特別，但係又成功射到喎，仲龍爭啲入啊一下，哇！俾佢撳住嚟攻啊！成功1-2，哇！好靚啊！呢幾個 1-2，哎呀，又傳慢咗，成日都係，因為佢啲球員快喎，所以咧我嗰個預測成日都錯。即係諗住啊，仲可以推多半步，推多半步，跟住咧佢就 catch up 到。哇！佢呢個近處已經射咗我好多下，哎我仲送翻個波俾佢，哇！真係離譜啊！但係又有喎，追前，哎呀慢咗，攞唔攞翻？哇！咁樣夾硬兜翻出嚟。仲有機會㗎，仲有機會㗎，有啊，美斯啊又擋到，美斯兩個射住死角嘅都俾佢撲出。其實形勢上唔係話真係輸咯，但係把握力嗰方面就有啲距離咯，係啊，咁啊。但係覺得有得追嘅，其實打到呢度，因為我臨完場嗰下其實理應係要追到。 咁啊，又送翻個波俾我咯喎！哇！呢個後抽發生咩事？不過好彩佢進攻都係一味靠衝，但係我嗰下有啲危險。好啦，慢慢組織翻上嚟先嚟個 1 2。嗱，佢完全係齋衝啊，佢唔會用嗰個 match up 掣嘅，所以呢係比較有利我打 1 2。所以佢嘅作為一個 player 嘅技術不算很好，我覺得。哇！但係咁樣俾佢攝到出嚟，大鑊！哇！佢竟然唔入喎！咁樣竟然唔入！哇！呢個球賺咗，咁樣冇輸咯。好啦，哇！而家射門次數係佢差唔多係我 double 啊，基本上。咁所以呢，對攻局呢就睇落去我係輸蝕啲，但係其實有幾下係我半單都起唔切腳啫。咁所以我都仍然覺得係有得追嘅。但係啱嗰下佢理應入啊，所以我都有少少暈。好啦，哇！4打2啊，4打3，得唔得？得唔得？哎呀，又錯過咗，把力好欠奉啊！我呢場同之前有一場一射就有咁啊，真係爭好遠。哇！佢已經不知不覺呢係 defensive mode 啊咁啊，睇下我把唔把得到啊！真係，因為佢嘅防守就一定係麻麻地嘅，進攻我都唔覺得好犀利，但係就係球員勁咯。哇！輸埋界外球添，冇辦法呢下，可以處理得好啲嘅，不過唔緊要啊，佢都係俾翻我。哎呀，唔係啊，角球啊，頂！送咗個角球俾佢添。60分鐘喎，淨係贏傳球成功率咁搞唔掂喎。跟住角球點樣 press with multiple players 啊？不過唔好理佢啦。只要佢都搞唔掂啊！呢個 AI 嘅教練。佢啱正想讚佢呢幾下後傳唔錯。跟住哇！我送咗俾佢，食咗個位攞唔到個波。哇！佢先係真正嘅巴西，有卡富又羅伯圖卡路士，跟住又朗拿甸奴。呢度我好似換咗人，我又 skip 咗㗎啦，因為換人實在唔需要睇㗎啦，係咪先？哇！真係半場都過唔到喎，咁搞法。好，靚啊！嗱，我換咗雲佬出嚟啊！哇，爆唔爆得贏？哇，竟然爆得贏，仲起到腳添喎！正啊！成功追翻一粒啊！換咗雲佬出嚟，唔知係體力好啲定咩？但係理論上，通常我預佢爆唔贏，因為雲佬速度比較慢。咁啊，要佢嗰個把握力。哇！係啊，雲佬嘅個致命弱點就係速度慢。哇！俾佢一個 1 2落到底啊，大鑊啊！吸嘅佢一定係傳翻中間射啊，典型啊！估到你啦，你次次用同一招唔得噶噃。好，睇準啦！哇 ，cancel 咗，係啊，啱啊，要 cancel 呢下。哎呀，傳錯邊啊 ！Oh no！ 大嘥鬼，右下角空晒嗰隻嘢。送翻俾我，正！今次呢，又係起唔到。但係又送翻俾我喎。喂，起碼射一腳啊，大哥！哇，咁刁轉，哇！估唔到我呢下處理得咁靚喎， through pass 嚟㗎，啱啱臨傳最尾助攻呢一下，係個 timing 係好 perfect，然之後近處估唔到係射得穿，咁佢即刻由 defensive 轉咗 attacking 啊，直接唔想輸嘅，咁樣輸係冇仇報啊！哇，空晒，借啊！哇，又想夾硬分俾美斯啱啱，哇大鑊大鑊，中間空晒，唉好彩包得切。哇大哥，心血少啲都唔呢下傳得曳啊！誒又送翻俾我，佢都係，哇好多後防好空喎，好多窿喎，係啦。速度都係始終爭啲，爆贏咗，但係都起唔到腳。可惜啊，爭少少反超，但係佢總係不斷俾機會我，個波不斷咁被放，哇！會唔會高張咗少少？扭幾嘢先至出，喺個自己個閘嗰個位嗰度咁扭都幾危險。好啊 ，full pass， 哇！又傳錯邊啦！哇，90分鐘啦，唔通真係要和？誒，和波唔係唔可以接受嘅，不過覺得自己打得唔好咯，因為其實有幾下都機會幾大。譬如呢啲咁樣唔應該用 full pass 咯，送咗個波俾佢。喂，成功喎！誒，最前，唉，又單刀唔該，要 finish 咗 ，yes， 成功反超，雖然冇華麗嘅 celebration。哇，雲佬換入嚟連嚼3粒，哇！最後一腳，哇！非常刺激喎呢一場，連續最尾20分鐘內狂嚼3粒，哇！佢輸得好唔抵啊其實。但係其實點講呢？我啲入球嚟得遲咯，我本應就其實一早應該贏啊呢場。係啦，睇翻佢嘅 ranking 都唔係好高啊，咁所以係啦，咁啊連贏咗2場啦，雖然都頗為艱辛嘅，其實呢2場。即係 Division 4嚟講呢，你會覺得應該要順利翻啲，但係呢2場都少少運氣咯，我覺得係嘛？咁睇呢場係點啊？咁又係 skip 晒嗰啲換人㗎啦。睇下可唔可以呢？一口氣升上 Division 3啦！好啊，嚟啊，國米啊呢隊。咁一如以往啊，就喺左路發難，失敗。咁睇下佢呢個打法，哇！呢個高遠嘅吊球，eFootball 打呢啲吊球比較難，因為成日都會被 catch up 到嘅，係成功率唔高喎自己。哇！咁靚呢個 1-2，哦 sorry， 睇唔睇到啊？最尾呢下就係靠住麥巴比救，即係佢個人夠快，冇俾龍門閂到，所以點解始終嚟講都係麥巴比會 prefer 多過雲但係雲佬上一場功不可沒啦嚇，成功 finish。咁呢個夢幻開局啊！碧根包啊！哇！頭先嗰場真係完全被人哋球員實力壓制啊！呢個球員實力我哋應該冇爭得咁可以透過我呢個 player 嘅實力拉遠距離啦。講得太早，即刻傳失波 no 真係。好，呢下守得靚嘅。好，睇下點處理。哇！空晒，佢飆晒上嚟好多空位啊！睇下吸唔吸到。呢下可能吸一吸比較好。夾硬 cut 唔到。但係佢解圍送翻俾我，又再嚟 1-2，左邊。哎呀，遠啲啦！大鑊啦！ 反擊啦！哇！唔好俾佢扭啊！誒好嗱，佢逆翻嚟幫拖啊！呢個就係4-4-2嘅好處啊！嗱，佢全部飆上嚟啊，所以呢，好多空位啊！再傳，哎呀！呢下可能 through pass 會好少少啊，唔 pass 應該係最好，等佢行多少少先傳。好 through pass。哇！佢咁空嘅，好彩及時補到翻嚟。好 1-2 喪 1-2啊！佢又係唔撳 match up 掣啊，所以喪 1-2佢啊。哇！咁空嘅，哇！好彩，成日放空咗人哋葫蘆頂啊，但係好彩即係 recover 得夠快。好50-50嘅 possession， 打個靚反擊先啦。入完頭一球之後都暫時冇見到有啲咩大優勢啊！哇！佢呢個點講呢？本來有大位唔射，佢到窄位射近處就有啲浪費啊！咪送個角球俾你咯，係咪？咁佢呢個進攻就一般般啦。哇！短角球，部假嘅，哇！想射波冇咁易啦。好啊，又係反擊時間啦，連續 through pass、through pass、普通 pass、through pass 係啊。扭一扭先，哇！直接標啊，難啲啦。應該可能要斬中喎，可能好少少。哇！係咁俾佢借喎，條左路，好彩都勉強守到啊。右路硬扭啊，唔得啦！哇！小友啊，落鏟啊！哎呀，大鑊，失咗位。呢下係我冇撳咩出掣，佢一個轉身，我呢樣要咩出？我就咁飆佢出去，佢一轉身封晒。咁啊，冇辦法啦，呢球自己守得唔好啊！哇！佢真係喪攻喎，左路。佢都好無盡啊！啲防守係非常冒險，係咁落鏟。你睇下我美斯好空啊，直嚼啊，靚啊！嗱，呢個 first touch 係關鍵啊！即係雖然心急啊，但係如果攞嘅時候撳住 R2咧，咁佢個籠出嚟有機會擋到，但係呢，輕輕嘅 first touch、refine 嘅 first touch， 跟住即刻就射，仲就啱埋左腳。咁呢個 finish 睇到我嘅功力啦，應該係因為處理單刀呢個 first touch 好重要。哇！大鑊，咁佢推到咁前冇計啊！佢個 first touch 仲靚，直接過埋我後衞。哇！係不停對攻喎，都係整體嚟講都係強強地喎。點解呢個 Division 4咁強？嚟個斬中先啦！喂，靚斬，美斯都頂到喎，證明係靚斬。係啊，係好靚嘅組織嚟啱啱。我嗰個位應該係 Serginho 嚟，我 Serginho 係我全隊斬得最勁嘅，因為佢係 cross specialist，佢嗰個球員嘅 style，佢斬出嚟係會帶少少西咁樣。哇！呢下完全避過晒。哇！好彩佢冇傳翻去中間啫，如果佢一短傳中間我冇噶啦。哇！係非常危險啊！爭啲呢，臨完半場輸一粒。 咁啊，把握力唔錯啊，翻嚟有我啲強勁把握力係咪先？上一場唔知發生咩事，今場把握得好好啊！咁啊喺少啲攻門嘅情況下呢，都仲係保住個和局上半場。咁啊，佢唔弱嘅，即係以一個 player 嚟講呢，佢都 OK 嘅。咁啊，但係傳波都係會我正想話我好少少，但係我又傳翻個波俾佢。覺得係會到贏到佢少少，始終佢防守好多空位啊，好無盡，所以容易有彈到。你睇下我呢啲，哇勁流暢！但係最尾呢一下唔應該 full pass， 最尾呢一下應該到位傳波再分邊會好少少。哇！呢下俾佢補晒，係傳波都係我比較理想啲啦，咁所以。你呢下哇！如果可以氹轉就成個遠處發達啦。嚟睇佢呢啲呢，成日送翻個波俾我，咁當然我又送翻個波俾佢，然後佢又送翻個波俾我，呢個真係搞唔掂。哇靚，搞掂！呢個 full pass 冇揀傳邊啊，傳咗去中間插上嘅 Camavinga， 非常漂亮。係咪 trademark move 唔知啊？但係你睇下佢呢個轉咗個陣㗎啦，佢呢個都4-2-4，佢個陣容都係非常冒險啊！佢兩對翼係唔會翻嚟幫波，咁所以呢，陣型上佢已經係選擇得唔好。佢呢啲係我玩 FIFA 先會咁出。哇係！哇係！我好高張，我啱嗰幾下，半單刀都要後抽，我係撳得太快頭先，所以發生呢件事。我開始係玩佢啊，因為太多，哇會唔會太靚？太靚啦，我唔識講，完全係 one touch 咁滯。哇！連續借咗佢兩粒喎，好靚喎，特別係啱啱嗰球。完全係點講？完全所有嘢都快佢一步咁樣。佢一轉咗 attacking mode 呢，佢係咪 attacking mode 咗啊？頭先好似再多啲空位，冇辦法啊！佢啲防守太多窿，啲任我傳，我有成日都好似4打3咁樣，勁多空位，唔知幸福的煩惱，唔知傳邊好。但係呢個又成日送翻個波俾我。好啦，直接可以借，哇！再傳多下，哎呀，傳多咗啦！又送翻俾我，咁要借你啦，冇辦法啦。哇 Camavinga 個人梅開二度啊！哇，咁冇計啦，我再換人添，係啊，得勢不饒人。呢個時候換人係想佢棄 game，但係佢都冇棄 game 喎，竟然仲 attacking mode 喎，仲覺得係有得追。咁啊係啊！如果單睇上半場呢，佢係唔輸嘅，但係冇辦法，佢一心急呢就飆啊！咁你一飆呢，就有冇玩咯？哇！斬中添喎，唔錯，唔係錯㗎呢個選擇 ，OK 嘅。不過頂多係美斯啊難啲，可能第二波 cross 會好啲。哇係，佢呢幾下就唔錯啦。再嚟個轉邊都幾唔錯喎，扭唔扭到去中間射波呢？哇！以為會有入喎，但係其實好似係爭好遠喎。佢個 joystick 拉得太盡，同埋個射波力撳得太大力啦。哇！我呢個龍門球啊，開得非常曳啊，冇辦法揀你係咁上下。少少賴佢啦，呢下就雖然點我換咗雲佬出嚟㗎啦，不過都冇乜所謂啊，其實贏就贏硬㗎啦咁場。哎呀，反擊唔到，4打2㗎啦，其實頭先。嗱，我冇標出去啊。嗱，呢個就有標波同冇標波嘅分別。哇！可以咁樣送俾佢， 哇！喺我連續送波，哇！佢亦都好心急咁樣射喎。佢係 taking mode 㗎啦，75分鐘，時間又唔係話冇嘅。哇！咁樣俾佢起到腳仲得了嘅？哇！我真係好淡定，呢個時候仲做 1-2。哇！係，可惜啊！哇！爭啲又送翻個波俾我。太心急啦 ！You are rushing the play。哎呀，可惜前面空晒。唉，好，喂，佢捉到我路添，大鑊！會遲咗少少喎，咁樣想硬衝，啲球員有冇咁勁先？過唔到我啦！好 1-2 嚟 1-2 再嚟多下，掂啊！再嚟個遠嘅，哎呀，點解冇繼續跑落去㗎？Look before I pass 都碌得好透徹㗎咯，可能啲球員會新換出嚟㗎噃。哇！啲 1-2 好靚，因為一對手一唔用 match up 呢，係做 1-2 係舒服好多咯。有一種 FIFA 嘅感覺，嗰種隨心所欲嘅感覺，又想拉大位射啊！你覺得我會唔會俾機會你啊？斬中就會俾機會你嘅，拉大位射就唔會啦，係咪？哇！大鑊，呢個都算係拉大位射咋，自打嘴巴啦呢下。哇！仲以為係靚鏟。失敗，仲成功攞牌，去馬基列嚟啊！哇，呢個經典球員嚟喎，當年車仔係咪嗰個呢？唔知啊，似係啊，我唔記得佢 first name 係咪 Nordy？ 小司機 Nordy 係咪嗰個 Nordy？ 哇，好兇啊嗱！哇，佢即刻衝出嚟。直接都唔係錯，如果分一分埋俾美斯就衝咁啊，不過唔緊要啦，足夠好啊！下半場3粒，完全係，終於有一場係似樣啲嘅勝利啦！哦，原來佢而家有呢個 network graph，睇得出你啱打嗰場波就唔算話太窒。咁啊，贏咗波啊，呢啲都唔重要啊！好啦，咁啊，連贏3場睇下，哇！呢個都高喎，Division 2最高排名 Division 27萬幾，都唔係話差噶。我發揮得好咯，只能講，同埋佢嘅防守太曳。我呢個直頭 Division 5啊，跟住啲球員好似仲渣過我。咦？佢初頭4-3-3，而家轉咗陣，哇！最尾轉咗成4-4-2咁喎。佢睇完我嗰陣就轉咗4-4-2，我 skip 晒啲換人㗎啦。咁啊，直接話哇 no worry be happy 喎，佢同我係嗰個改名有啲似，因為我係 fun 啊嘛，同埋 enjoy 啊嘛。咁啊，快樂足球啊，大家都係送上巴西嘅快樂足球。咁啊，睇下邊個笑到最後啦。咁啊，暫時嚟睇呢，就都係混亂。好似係曼聯嚟喎，佢呢隊係啊，曼聯好堅持要用曼聯嘅人喎 Cirky 喎，佢係用緊。朴智星喎，又唔一定要現役係嘛？但係一定要曼聯。唔係啊，呢個Alexander Arnold唔係曼聯嘅喎。哦，咁所以係一定要英超係咪呢？等我留意下佢啲人係咪一定係英超先，我有啲興趣。因為佢好少可嚟講呢，球員係屎我，佢係冇課金嘅。當然都有可能有課金唔用。Anyways，哇，好順暢。 但係冇啦。哇！喺 Shirky 呢下走到身後，哇！喺咁靚嘅，好靚喎，抵你威喎，仲有呢個有型嘅 celebration， 哇！隻舞跳得好犀利喎，隔離嗰個。曼聯嘅教練啦，當然，不過已被炒。Shirky。咁我都有個曼聯舊將啦 ，Rashford 啦，沙比亞朗素都唔係英超嘅喎，最後係喺皇馬。哇！咦？呢個人技術會唔會其實高喎？即係佢喺 Division 5個阿蘇門冇勁，但係佢呢幾下幾有料喎。喂，我呢下都唔錯，流都唔錯。哎呀，點解唔傳俾麥巴比搏腳啊？朴智星，嗱呢下我經驗啦，冇標出去，係咪？好，慢慢組織翻先啦。嚟啦，身後有一下 through pass， 調走去中間出嚟。哎呀，扭唔到。送咗個波俾我，正。氹轉，掂。成功啊！一下失誤就送咗俾我。唔緊要啦，你 no worry be happy 噶嘛，係咪？就一個機會就有噶啦，好滿意啊！呢個把握力把得好好啊。不過咁近你美斯左腳遠處係理論上要入啦，係咪？佢又想氹轉翻我，喂！哎呀，送咗個波俾佢，唉，冇 clear 到，跟住個球員衝得好快，直接將個波送入 Shirky 腳邊，咁樣送咗個梅開二度俾佢，好唔抵啊！哇！如果我最後咁樣輸都幾唔抵喎，我最後係咪輸嘅呢？我唔記得啦呢場，但係可惜啊。好，哎呀，打唔到1-2。哇！好彩，啱嗰下窒咗一窒，爭啲亂晒。好彩冇事，佢都係飆得好行啊，所以呢，係會多啲空位，同埋呢下解圍一般般，連續送翻個波俾我。咁我要打好啲 ，hold 住個波先得，靚呢下普通傳，再順便轉身過埋。哎呀，最後一傳好曳啊！哇，係咁樣送翻個波俾我，佢啲解圍有啲問題喎，成日送翻個波俾我。送個波俾我！哎呀，哇，又把握到啦，美斯。連續2球都係咁啊！佢冇解圍送翻個波俾我。咁啊，多謝晒啦，只能講。當然 sharp 噶啦，美斯冇得講啊！咁把握力係最一流啊！哇，喺佢個 Shirky 都好勁喎，唔好俾佢射啊！冇錯啦 ，through pass 普通傳，再 through pass， 睇唔睇到啊節奏 ？through pass 哎呀慢咗，啱 through pass 有機會最中間嗰個位攞到單刀就借 finish。好，攞個角球都 OK 嘅。係啊，掌握到嗰啲短傳啊、through pass 嗰啲時機啊、節奏啊、幾時撳邊樣啊，咁其實都係練嘅經驗。哇！呢下直接過埋靚，門前製造嗰啲混亂，呢個 cross 唔錯啊，係咪先？好，繼續嚟啦，拉邊。佢唔係3後衞，唔係，佢轉咗4-4-2。佢係一個合情理嘅阿摩添啊！有冇得氹轉？今次佢捉到我路啦。如果我轉另一邊，佢就大鑊。佢都係預先就 報定一邊。哇，係有少少窒啊！好，單刀啦，掂啊，射去，哎呀，俾佢鏟 recover 到添，又送翻俾我。OK， 斬出嚟，唉，過晒竟然，有咁大力咩？呢下斬得，唔明啊，但可惜啦。哇！啱嗰下咪通咗個坑渠，冇意識地。哇！好危險啊！我真係，哇！連續幾下係完全有權被偷到。Oh no！ 食住身位係啦。美斯同 Serki 嘅入球大戰，暫時打成平手，大家其實冇乜攻門。咁啊，傳波啊，我優勝啦。咁啊，佢繼續4-4-2啊。咁啊，佢就識調整陣啊，佢就唔會兩隻翼呢係逆風啦嚇。係咪呢？定係其實逆風我冇睇得好清楚。但係如果好似我咁樣擺左中場右中場就可以翻嚟幫波咯。好，哇好靚喎呢下 ，K 角位咁樣斬入去，仲要頂到。好3打2嘅快攻，空晒啦美斯。哎呀，冇 rushing the play 㗎呢下，哇，係爭啲攞到。冇 rushing the play， 靚波嚟，不過佢俾佢守到嘅。好，要爭取先入球啊！冇錯，箍實個波先。關鍵一傳失敗。哎呀，以後被攞得翻，好彩送俾我。繼續慢慢做啦，冇錯啊！哎呀，個球攞唔到添。咦，送俾我喎！好空。哎呀，哇又唔解圍啊佢。哎呀，撳錯 full pass 呢下應該倒腳傳呢，有機會擒轉射個遠傳。好，你我即刻開個短角球。哎呀，撳錯掣，應該要射啊！唔係，我想傳去中間先射，都唔係錯嘅，不過冇企穩傳就可惜啲。哇，咁樣想攞到個波啊難啲喎。但係我太多呢啲，哇唔好啊！錯過咗最佳射球時間啦佢。我連續呢幾下都好高張啊！一接波自己後場一接波就轉身轉得有啲太快，咁啊成日俾佢攞到波。咁啊要注意一下，同埋佢 attacking mode 嘅，咁所以逼得我有啲緊。咦，好唔想和喎，睇嚟佢。好，繼續做上去。哎呀，我要有啲回傳先得啦。係啦，回傳啦，哇，都有少少危險。哇，佢前面好多人啊，大鑊！好在救到啊！好窒啊，好窒啊！哇，超窒，大鑊！攞翻個波啦，終於。Serginho 係啦，慢慢猜上去啦，自然好多空位㗎啦，冇錯。OK， 成功過到一件，再傳，哇！咁樣篤入啊，成功！麥巴比就係嗰半秒嘅速度，終於一個奇襲成功啊！相當唔錯啊！哎呀，咁樣犯規，送咗個罰球俾佢。
What can they come up with here? They're taking a moment to consider their options.
Alexis Telemachus. Substitution in progress.
咁啊，佢又換咗一紮人㗎啦，我就好似未換嚇。哇！直接咁樣傳出嚟啊！反擊佢啊！咁慢嘅又會。好，機會嚟啊！係啦，睇準先 ，through pass，through pass， 有個上緊嚟啊 ，through pass 啊！哎呀 ，through 唔切啦！哇！有點窒，大鑊大鑊！哇！好彩，窒啊窒啊窒！誒，但係佢又送翻個波俾我，嚟啦！唔好諗咁多啊，直接 through pass 啊！哇！好差啊呢下。可能係因為真係有點窒，但係佢都冇乜威脅啊！又送翻俾佢。靚喎呢下，靚喎，單刀啊！成功避個嚼啊，搞掂，佢仲撲遠處啊想。鎖定勝局嘅一球啦！我都喺度回想緊，到底係咪呢場係輸？但係睇嚟冇啦，睇嚟係都係成功嘅。哇！又有快攻啊，係咁打快攻嘅都 end up。哦，好窒啊！又話我唔睇清楚，根本唔係因為實在太窒咧。哇，靚啊呢下！再分俾美斯啦，靚啊！啱啱好就係要呢個位 ，perfect 啊！有力度到位置到角度，全部都係 perfect。完全係 tap in 級數，咁冇啦，佢5-2啦，冇啊，通常都係咁啊，你一局攻呢，俾咗好多空位對手嘅，你睇下幾多位 through pass，同埋佢唔撳 match up 係咪？咁啊難啲咯，又飆出去咯，成功！哇係，越玩越高張啊！好，哎呀，而家開太遲啦，而家先捉到路。哇！美斯又空咗啦，好啦，射定傳，哇！再扭過埋，再射，哇！太精彩呢下！要啊，要鏟草啊，真係！你以為傳咩？以為射咩？都唔係，再吸多下先射，幾真實嘅美斯。冇啦，結果原來呢係大炒。好具說服力啊！呢場其實把握力啊、傳球啊、射球基本上都贏，比分自不然贏啊。咁啊〜佢都唔厲害啊，係啊 ，Division 3嘅最高都係好厚30萬，好少見咁厚。咁啊，係啦，呢個喺 Division 5嘅對手，哇，佢個3-1-3-1-1，好似得3個後衞，跟住前面有成6個人咁，跟住一個中場。未見過啲咁全攻型嘅隊伍啊，仲要係 handsy flick 嘅 quick counter，咁要非常小心去進攻啦。咁啊，不一定係對攻㗎啦呢場。好特別啊！呢一場都係幾刺激嘅一場嚟，我記得。咁啊，覆下盤啦！哇！即刻迪布尼，哇！咁輕鬆入到，腳面就入喎，咁咪勁勁地喎。 一嘢就峨眉月餅就有。哇！喺我送咗個波俾佢，係窒定乜鬼啊？唔知道一個 full pass 啊，拆穿佢嘅三後衞。哦，我明佢呢個陣容啦 ，quick counter 等球員與球員之間都係幾近嘅，所以就破即係難啲破佢咁密集，得唔得呢？但係呢啲係唔容許一絲犯錯咯，佢呢個陣。哇係，但係都有啲威脅喎呢個傳中，但係佢似乎都幾多犯錯喎嚇，連續送波俾我，係咪？咁我好多選擇，through pass 同普通 pass 時間嚟又送波俾我啦，咁啊慢慢做啦，少少回後先嗱，係啦，好多選擇啊，哎呀，最後佢中堅督到個波。佢嘅傳波唔係好得啊。full pass 連續 full pass 啊！哎呀，嘥咗。到佢連續 full pass 啊！timing 唔好啦。哇，好空啊！冇錯啦，因為佢三後衞，所以好空。哎呀，我帶幾步先傳，點知都仲係傳咗落去腳下。好，終於攞翻個波啦！喂，美斯，哎呀，咦冇喎，哇，好混亂啊！係咁送翻個波俾我，冇錯啊，要靠中場嚟組織㗎啦，係啦，靠中場啊！drive 佢，哇！佢識撳 match up 掣喎，雖然佢傳波唔好，但係佢識 match up 喎。嗱呢下回後好關鍵啊！睇唔睇我中堅出咗去，再回翻後，咁啊 fix 晒啦。好靚啊！哎呀，關鍵一下，又送翻俾我，哇靚！哇呢下組織唔錯，成功左邊傳翻去右邊，跟住右翼起腳啊！短角球，啱唔啱到佢啦 ？OK， 翻轉頭，咁就短㗎啦。OK， 掉得，哎呀 ，hold 得太耐啦。成功啊呢招，扮晒嘢向前行，跟住再，哎呀，跟住再褪後攞佢個波，佢啲傳波唔係好掂。哇！咁樣夾硬鏟過嚟，黃牌啦！迪布尼，哇！好差喎啱嗰下。OK， 機會嚟啦，機會嚟啦！哇！直掉都唔係錯啊，但係被撲到啊，咁可惜啊！手錘打出 good 解圍 good， 好呢個位唔使解圍啊，啱啊 full pass 佢係啦，引佢中堅出嚟，再傳翻去中間，爆到添。好，成功搶到翻啊！處理好差，佢又送咗俾我，有啦啩！唉，終於。佢已經連續成4-5次咁樣呢，送個波俾我喺中場，終於把握到。係，我想嚟呢招啊！俾迪布尼喺中間嘅起腳，唔會俾機會你㗎啦。OK， 哇好空，佢呢個三後哇咁樣連續俾佢避開咗，哇呢下少少窒一窒咁樣， 連續俾佢避開，呢下好傷啊！咁樣即刻俾佢領先翻。
Really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Oh, that's wonderful to see. The run was explosive. The finish exquisite.
好靚
So
波
we，have a breakthrough.
靚啊！
Now, how
4
will
打
things
2，
develop from here?
嚼啊！
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter,
哎呀，
in this team, he's
係咪
always
要
the
扭
number
扭
one
咧？應該
contender, and he's done it again.
哇！俾人打
Any
1-2
latch
添。
onto this?
哦，斬中就唔怕你
Stitch
啦。
defending, but that'll do.
輸個角球。
And it's hoisted clear. He's a sharp little ball here.
嗯，
And into the grateful arms
簡
of the
尼又
keeper.
打唔到快攻噶啦，因為佢淨係識開高波。
The chance to go the
好
other
啊，
way.
最後2分鐘，
Oh, good read.
哇！又
That
俾
was
佢
well played.
閂到，
Well stopped.
然之後咬腰解圍送
To
翻個波
stoppage
俾我。
time, whistle due any moment.
OK 啊，3打2啊，中間掂嚼，哎呀呢下
Oh, the
又係
keeper's
勁
done
傷，
ever so
要
well.
控一控
Well,
定先射啊，
convincing.
非常傷啊！呢
Maybe
下
got
finish 唔
back
到
to。the first half.
呢個有少少我自己問題，太心急，諗住可以即刻射。
Neither team truly.
Can't go too easy on his players here. I think they need to re-establish that focus and try
其
to
實我係都係
lift
諗
the
住佢會
focus.
自己控一
They're on a
控
good
咁射，
start
點
to
知
the
佢
second
自己
half.
自動就變咗鏟射，
Here we go again then.
咁啊好可惜
I
啊！
think starting this half in a strong
錯失
manner
咗啲
is
機會，
essential, Peter, if you're chasing the game.
同埋佢
which
入
they
得
are.
我太輕
You
鬆
know, go with intent and purpose. Let your opponents know you're not just going to quietly bow down.
即係佢入咗2球咧，其實都冇乜特別靚組織或係咩，就係我自己
Rodri.
有啲失誤咁樣就
It's Camavinga.
俾佢入
Now
咗。
it's Rashford.
哇，好靚啊！呢
Now
幾
it's
下，
Mbappe.
哇！
Mignon claims
可惜啊，又嘥咗啊！應該推深啲啊，先考慮傳。但係佢又送波俾我，
Now it's Mbappe.
可唔可以 finish 到啊？再嚟個 1-2，靚靚啊！睇唔睇到啊？呢個2打1好精彩，
Massive goal.
最遠嗰邊
The reset button and
有個人空
really
咗，
were.
傳一傳俾中間嗰個再 1-2，
He put it away with great poise, dead-eye
咁個
accuracy.
佢得個一個人唔知守邊個啊？
Peter, he didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
咁啊，回馬槍啊，簡單嚟
So
講。
all square and not for the first
哎呀，
time.
點解傳咗咁遠嘅？都 OK 喎、哎呀，但係竟然撲到，諗住傳個近嘅，但係個波去咗遠。
Rashford
係，
Messi goes
點都好啦，成功2-2，
turns and goes back.
借落
Well,
去，
now it's a race for the ball.
失敗，
Barcelona are looking to go forward
好
now.
多人啊佢一反擊好多人啊，
Always onto this. Well, there is a
好
look
回
that
味
says
啊
it
頭
all.
先嗰球。
A piercing stare.
咁啊，佢而家又係人海戰術啦，哇，好多人啊，頂住啊！好成功，
Quarter of an hour into
真係
the
好唔
second
中意
half.
呢個 high punt 㗎，但係冇辦法啦。
Camavinga,
哇，最遠
the
好
ultimate
空啊！
schemer,
哎
the
呀
supplier in chief.
，Oh
Looking
no！
to play him in.
唔好俾機會佢啊！係啦，
Well, what about it? It's turned into a real fight to the last.
好
Nico
1-2
Williams
啊！
has created one goal already.
唔需要喎，
Nico Williams.
睇準先傳，
Good
掂
strong midfield
起
running
腳
here.，
哎呀，點解冇射到嘅？
He
窒
won't be
咗
happy
啊！
with that
嗰個
one.
位通常直接就借喎，好窒啊啱啱。可能因為咁冇射到定唔知點。哇！
Now
嗰
it's
個位已經
Neymar.
推順咗大位左腳
Camavinga,
射得㗎
nicely
喎，
weighted ball.
唉，
Well, that looks a decent ball.
好可惜啊
Rodri
嚇！唔知係窒定乜鬼啊？定我撳錯定點
laid
啊？
back in.
哇！
Knocks it out wide.
鏟傷我個人，唔理啊！
Always played
地
it
波
in low.
哎呀，有啲暈。
Brazil!
呢下係 on 高定
And
係
this
點
has？become a real roller coaster of a game. We go
哇！
up,
成
we
功
go
反
down.
勝啊！
Where we end, who knows?
即刻換人先。咁啊，skip 咗㗎啦。哇！佢個迪布尼打 SS。咁啊，skip 咗換人。佢毫無攻勢，佢就係得嗰2下就入咗2球，仲要係唔係咩絕對攻勢嚟？第一下迪布尼嗰下，第二下佢點入啊？我都唔記得咗。 就係我唔知點樣個人無啦啦避開咗佢，輸得好冤啊嚇！嗰兩球都。咁啊，終於有翻啲運啦，入到第三球。咁睇下換完人之後可唔可以擴大比
We
數啦
have？got changes here from both sides, in fact.
Yeah, I think he's trying to stay one step ahead of his opponents here, maintain the upper hand, so to
好，繼
speak.
續 1-2
I can see
佢。
that.
哇，
Well,
爽
this
皮！
is what we've been waiting for.
哎呀，想
Look,
傳
he's
俾
the
雲
one
佬
everyone
㗎，
expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's
可
paid
惜
to
啊
do.，
雲佬空咗嘅係。
A poorly directed kick from the
又
keeper.
送
He's
嗰個波
given
俾
it
我。
away. Conte,
哎呀，
great vision.
哇！又俾佢走漏後咗。
And this is
Oh
what
no！佢開到大位大鑊。哇，好唔抵啊！啲輸呢啲波，一來係我失誤啦，俾咗球權佢，跟住佢就好輕鬆開咗大位射，我守得唔好
And
啫。
they merit nothing less.
And that really is
哇，好空喎！
so impressive.
喂，再
From
嚟
the
啊
moment he
！1-2，
got involved, he
借喎
looked as！if
哎
he'd go
呀，
all
點
the
解
way.
唔借
Terrific.
啊？諗住仲有得 1-2啊！
This is quite a battle.
有啲心態有
There's
啲崩啊，
resilience for
連
you,
續
Peter.
錯失
As
太
a
多
side,
機
they
會，
never lost
然之後人
focus
哋把握
despite
得
the
太好。
setback. And this is thoroughly merited. For
哇！
me,
又送咗個
now they
波俾
can
佢，
go and
我唔
better.
好
Oh, he's been
啊
caught napping.
！Oh no！
Messi. Oh, he's brought him
仲
down,
鏟
and
埋
it
添。
is a penalty.
哇！
And
我
he
都無
could not
語。
have picked a worse
呢一
time
場
to
輸
give
咗
one
真係知道
away.
我有史以來最唔抵嘅一場。
Ball on the spot.
佢得4下
Kenny.
攻門入咗4球，如果入埋呢球嘅話，不過黃牌咯，唯一就係冇紅牌我覺得，其實仲有一追嘅。
Not much more than
咁
a
啊，
formality.
I just think the keeper committed
錯
himself
失
too early.
太多機會實在。
Barcelona take the lead.
To be
你睇
expected, Peter. They've gone
佢
and
呢啲
stepped
咁
it
嘅
up.
陣，
Something they've been threatening to do
求
and
其
will
一分個
continue to do
邊
by
就
the
已經
looks
落
of it.
到底咁滯，
Beckenbauer spots it and intercepts.
完全
Can
唔
he
知
get
自
it
己做
through?
乜咯。
Rodri cuts out the pass.
啊！你睇下你睇
Looking
下，
for options for
我都
movement.
要 attacking mode 啦。你睇下幾
Now
空，
there's a fine ball.
哎呀，又想開個大位，
It's a lovely, delicate pass.
其實
Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were
Mm,
certainly
yeah.
tested. Well, that pass
心
isn't the
態都
best.
崩啊！呢場真係睇翻我心態都有啲崩。
But still very much in the hunt
點解
for
可以
their
打得咁
promotion
差？
dream.
你睇下，
It's
哎
great
呀
to！see that there's still plenty of fighting spirit
你
in
睇下
them,
佢幾
but
時
you might need a
係
bit
咁
more
送
than
個
that
波
just
俾
now.
我，我又好
Looks
高
a
張咁
smashing
樣回
ball.
後，
It's a good spell of
有啊！
possession
哎
this.
呀！
Brazil
又
really
衝
don't
埋
have
去
a
人
choice
哋嗰
now.
度
They just have to
，Oh
throw
no！
everything
又
forward,
有單
give
刀，
themselves a chance to draw level.
哇！好彩收到，
And that
哇！又送個
interception
波俾
was
佢，誒佢又唔
necessary.
射
He
喎，
read that really well and
佢都
stopped
犯
it.
錯啦，
lovely bit
都
of
唔知窒
skill.
定乜鬼。
Costa Curta did
哇！
just
又
about
有
enough to come
快
out
攻
on
啊！
top
哎呀，俾
there.
佢報到添，
Neither party overly willing to compromise.
哇！仲冇時間，
Rafinha,
好空
well
啊！
seen,
啊！佢
saw
臨
that
尾
coming.
That's great
臨
positioning.
尾
So
幾
good from
下 match up 就係擋咗我啲
Conte
1-2。誒，
The
仲
ball
有
is
仲有，
loose and the chase is on.
哎
Well
呀
read.
又唔知又窒
Danger
咗
is
啱啱，
averted.
遲咗
Chooses
出
to go
腳，
crossfield.
遲咗出波，跟住又追翻
So
啦，
that's it. It is all
極
over.
之唔抵嘅一場啊！只
Brazil
能講，
illustrated
佢係咪得4
perfectly
次攻門
the
啊？
fickle
係啊，
nature
4
of
次攻門入
football.
4球，我10 次
Everything
攻門
looked
先
so
入咗
good
3
for them
球，
to start with.
全球
As we
成
have
功率嗰
seen
啲全
so
部
many
都贏。
times, they ended up with nothing.
咁啊，冇咩好講啦，真係對手都應該唔係好強啊，我感覺。哦，Division 3 26,000都高嘅，不過打出嚟嘅感覺唔覺，把握力高咯，只能講。好唔抵啊！不過點都好啦，其實爭一場啫，咁啊本身應該可以直接升嘅，咁啊要打多場啦。咁呢場對手本身係 Division 4啊，阿仙奴，攞嚟祭旗阿仙奴4-3-3，實力差唔多同我整體有啲100，有啲106咁樣啦。咁啊正常陣容啦，正常球員啦，純拼玩家嘅實力啦，基本上可以咁講啦。咁 咁啊冇藉口啊，希望網路唔好窒啦。
Brazil
Come
do
on.
have the look of a team with genuine ambition.
照舊啊
Already
，cut 晒
on
啲
the
換
cusp
人
of
啊！
promotion, they are looking to make a statement here.
現實阿仙奴而家好勁啊嚇！
And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. If you're just joining us, we are already underway.
不過算啦，即係其實上兩場都有頭兩場係都有運嘅，咁所以
but must.
一場半場輸運係都可以理解，但係同埋都唔係真係咁完全輸運嘅，佢臨尾係守得好。咁啊 move on 啦，好呢場啊睇下可唔可以打好啲啦。
Jim, who do you pick out as the telling
係，
individual?
不過有時呢啲真係令自己激心嘅波咧，都係唔好睇翻比較好。你睇唔明係咪？復盤嘅位就係把握力要好啲咯，嚇，果斷啲射啦，唔好嘥嗰啲單刀。不過有時呢啲都好難講。哇！嗱，呢啲窒一窒咁樣。 即刻亂啊！哇，都幾窒喎，又送嗰個波俾佢。
I'm struggling to work out whether that was brave or a bit stupid. Maybe both actually.
好，送咗個波俾我。係啊，分邊先啦。你中間插緊一個入嚟，靚。哎呀，可惜。誒，又送翻個波俾我，出唔到。
Now it's Hazard.
大家都傳得一劈嘢啊，60幾個%。係咁傳個波去人哋度，又係咁啊，彈波。睇準先傳啊 ！Look before you pass 啊！跟住又大波出界係，又唔係窒喎，呢幾下係純粹打得唔好。
Well, both teams are proceeding with caution, but there's plenty of time to wait for some
nice
attacking
through
purpose.
係其實有啲 risky 啊，不過可能真係要咁打。哎呀 ，match up 添。誒，送翻俾我。Full pass，full pass，full pass。普通傳。再普通傳。哎呀，哇係，又送翻俾我。 Full pass。誒，俾佢轉到邊添？誒，又送翻俾我。係啦，斬個波啦！佢啲企位太緊密。哎呀，大鑊啊！俾佢轉到身，好彩。Full pass。哎呀 ，match up 咗添俾佢。送個波俾我。嚟啦！今次機會嚟啦，換單刀噶啦，壓過去。哎呀！ cut 得太入啊！冇辦法壓過去，再嚟一次。亂戰啦，只能講，大家都冇乜甜頭。睇下邊個失誤嘅。暫時嚟講我就冇咯。呢啲中場傳失啦，不過係可以再傳得好少少。
Ruben Diaz. Now it's Mbappe. Rafinha. Ruben Diaz. Mbappe. And it's Rodri.
回後靚㗎。
That's a dangerous ball.
哎呀，又俾搶翻。哎呀，連續 full pass 又送翻俾我。佢 match up 連續，哎直謝喎，唔好講咁多。失敗。回後 full pass 掂啊，掉得，成功近處破網，右腳，終於靚波嚟啊！要少少回後，不過佢都連續幾下 match up 破咗。
Look, if you want to be effective on the break, then the key element is always pace. That's what really rips defenses apart, and it's difficult to find an answer to it when it's
好
applied like
又
that.
送個波俾我 through pass， 哇！
So we have
少
had
少
the
大
first
貪，
significant moment. It is
諗住
1-0.
其實
Well,
分
Peter,
邊可能
this
好
now
少少，
poses
不過
the
如果
question of
嗰下
stick
偷
or
到又
twist.
確實唔
Do
錯
they
嘅。
immediately go for
誒
another
靚
one
啊
or
靚
sit
啊！
back and wait patiently?
斬個地波靚，哇咁都救到，
And he passes it
神
long.
救嚟喎呢下！
Odegaard. The only breakthrough then
Wow,
came
how
late
you
in the first
doing?
half here, and that is the difference.
And the score is 1-0.
唔得
No,
啦，
not quite on the same wavelength.
咁樣想穿過條防
Well, it
線，
seems as if he's just had a
Đi đó.
momentary lapse and
哎
slipped
呀，
into tunnel
應
vision
該帶多
because
陣
he
先，
had good
簡
options
直啊！
around him and he failed
跑
to get
跑
his
下
head up.
收步，始終唔
Now
係
it's
最
Mbappe.
進攻型。我成
And
功
he's
轉
lost
身，
his man here.
即嚼唔到，
Alexander-Arnold. Odegaard.
悶戰啊！呢個上半場簡直
Threads
係。
one in.
咁啊，不
And
過
there's
都
gonna be the
順利
final
啊，
action of the first half.
領先1-0啦。咁佢
It's
好似
certainly
都冇
simmered
咩
along nicely
攻
so far.
勢乜
Just the
滯，
one goal in.
Need to
係
have
射
a big
門都
start
冇
to the
喎。
second half to give
咁
them
我
some
射3
momentum,
中3，
and they're not going to get that if
52%
they're being too
possession。
risk-averse.
咁啊，
Brazil
合理賽果啊
are
上
1-0
半
up
場。
at half-time, and it's all to play for. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
唔再犯錯啦，
Well,
我
it's
而
been
家。
tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now, and we get
哇！
some
係咁
free-flowing
樣
football.
送波俾我就唔客氣了。哎呀！
Well seen, saw that coming.
He read that
再嚟
really
一次
well and
through
stopped
pass，
it.
冇錯
Now
啦，
it's Messi.
再傳多下
And。he was alert to it. Xavi Alonso tidy with his distribution.
佢都冇咩進攻板斧
Brazil
啊
have really been terrific at snuffing out the threat.
等我幾
Now
時
for
入嘅
something
啫？
different.
好啦，睇下佢
Great
下
running
半
on
場
show
仲
here,
有啲
but
咩啦。
ultimately there was no way through.
哎呀，又傳早咗，
That has been
應該等佢入多少少先傳呢下。
And again,
好，
they run up
再嚟多
against
次。
stubborn defending.
哇，窒機啊！
Chooses to go crossfield.
好，佢呢個轉變唔錯啊
Looking！to get their possession game going here.
Yeah, it can be very
哇，係
stylish and expansive to
正想
watch.
讚佢靚，跟住又送咗個波
To
俾我
the。standard we know they can, but what's key is the number of ballers in the team. As long as they don't lose
冇
the
啊，
pace,
咁
the
佢會唔會
performance and the urgency,
全場都
all will be well.
射唔到支門呢？咁搞法，哎呀，送咗個波俾佢添。啊
Cross is
，match up
blocked,
就係
and
連
that's a call.
波都唔俾佢出啊！
Arsenal with
呢
the
個
ball
防
back
守
there
真係不得
first.
了。當然佢進攻都係冇乜料到啊，即係靠我失誤啊！睇下佢頂唔頂到啊？
That should
頂
get
唔
the
到，
job done.
繼續係未有攻門嘅。
Attempts a clearance.
好，嚟個反擊，
Brazil have
哇
the
靚
chance to
晒，
go the
2
other
打
way.
1，掂啊！單刀啊！
Now this could
簡
be
迪
a
嚟啊，不
chance.
過傳翻嚟中間搞掂，嚼得。邊個嚟啊 ？Rafinha 右腳啊，右腳都入啊！
And in charge, and things are looking pretty good for them now.
咁佢 attacking mode 啦，
Getting to that, no getting to it at all. Expertly done.
但係 attacking mode 都
And he's done
感
that
覺
so
唔
often.
到佢有啲咩威脅。連續2個 through pass，
Brazil
再
are
嚟一個遠嘅
sitting
through pass，
pretty
冇
2-0
喎。
up.
Yeah, and you have to say
哇
that the
仲
contrast
輸
of
埋
moods are
龍
very
門球添
visible。now. They really
啱啱
force
如果
themselves
傳
to
俾
go
遠處
and
美
run
斯
things
咧，應該就搞掂咗啦。
Kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. Can he get it through?
你一
He was
個
quick to react.
一個 match up 又成功守到一球
Are
啦。
looking to play on the counter
哇
here,
係
aren't they?
哇
I think
係
it's，pretty clear they've changed their shape. Certainly when defending
哇我都
against
開始
because
係
they've
好
got to
隨
be
性咁
ready
樣打啦，
to
開始
hit them hard on the counter attack, and that seems to be the plan.
R1緊逼啦，係嘛
Excellent
？call
interception.
碼緊逼啦，用下。哇！呢個 one
Plays it
two
through.
好空
Well,
啊！
it's a move of great
再嚟到
confidence,
腳，
but
嚼得
Chance!
啊！
He's missed, but not by that far.
係啊，咁啊又係把握得唔好啊，
Interception
不過冇乜
is
所謂啊，
positioning
去到呢個
spot
位
on.
超多機會啊，任務玩，再嚟多一下，
That is a brilliant interception. Just about up to 75 minutes.
咁啊
Odegaard. Alexander-Arnold.
有少少窒啦，我諗我係有少少窒啦，
And it's
係有少
Odegaard.
少窒，不過都守住勝果應該冇問題。
That's been intercepted.
可唔可以守住零射門呢？
Davids.
哎呀，哇！咁樣送俾佢，哇！一射就入，仲要係慢流近處，估唔到啊！突然之間充滿咗懸念添，入多粒就和啊！咁啊，呢度睇嚟我都係換人嘅啫，
Substitution
都 skip 咗
number 10.
換咗啲咩人㗎啦
Taking。this chance to turn to their benches.
Yeah, I think he's trying to stay one step ahead of his opponents here.
誒
maintain
哇喺
the
咁樣
upper
過
hand,
到
so to speak. I can see that.
We have got ourselves a
如
game
果
here.
快脆入多粒就唔使咁。 哇！冇辦法有啲窒，哇唔係話呢個時候咁樣俾個單刀佢，哇！簡尼神救，呢個位真係出晒汗，諗住坐定粒六噶嘛，突然之間佢連續有單刀出現，
That's a decent clearance.
Keep calm and carry on.
好
That's the job
靚
in a nutshell.
1 2可惜，誒攞唔攞到？係啊，換咗雲佬出嚟啊！
As they're going to go.
而家又好謹慎地防守，哎呀大鑊啊！中間飆咗出去，哇亂晒，好彩佢亂咁斬咗出嚟，咁啊唔怕啦，唉嘥下時間先。哇！呢啲呢啲波真係好得人驚啊！
Final 5 minutes.
誒，哇好彩佢有犯規，又嘥下時間先。啊，等多幾秒跟住先咁 cancel。 唔好即刻 cancel 係咪？咁啊慳咗幾秒，哇！送咗個波俾佢大鑊，
Distributed tidily. Now it's
哎
on
呀，好彩有人喺後邊嘅，
Brazil close
呢
now
啲
to
害
save
人
this
中
one
害
through
己
to
佢
the
真係
end.。
但係冇啊！如果呢個時候俾佢入到，我入唔切㗎
Played
啦。
out to the left flank.
哇！少少緊張唔係講笑，仲要有啲窒呢，係咪先？好，轉咗個圈之後嚟個 1 2點啊！
Nico Williams
斬出嚟，
to a good position.
哇靚啊，斬得唔錯，可惜。
De Bruyne.
誒，
It's a pretty loose
繼續
pass.
送翻個波俾我，仲有2、3分鐘。哇！喺我係冇諗過浪費時間喎，
Look inside.
真係想借多粒喎。誒，氹轉，哇！呢下，哇好靚喎！呢下轉身其實，可惜入唔到，但係唔緊要啦，
A statement
成
win
功
on a
升
crucial
上
day.
Division 3啦，
Now,
最尾
major
少
test
流
for
汗，
his
咁啊，但係
then, Jim.
有驚無險啦嚇，用多咗一場，不過一口氣打到 Division 3啦，希望你中意睇啦，下次再見，拜。